the one little nugget that I want to leave you all with is to remember the biggest barrier to success is fear, and sloth for that matter. I think we all have a tendency to get lazy from time to time, but I think a lot of that laziness is oftentimes driven by fear. And what I mean by that is it's awfully easy to put something off until tomorrow if we're scared to begin. We have trepidations on a number of things, whatever that might be. From what if I'm no good? What are my friends and family going to think? What if I can't afford it? What if, I just really don't enjoy it? So we put these mental hurdles up in front of ourselves. And I'm here to tell you that that's the only way you're going to be successful is to clear those hurdles, whether you're jumping them or simply moving them out of the way. And so that's even why, to a degree, I started doing this video, as it were. Is I felt I can communicate pretty well, and I think people just kind of have a catharsis when it comes to watching art. So I'm hoping the combination of the two is something you all enjoy. I'm going to settle back with a pipe, do some additional painting, and we'll hopefully see you again in a week. But in the meantime, feel free to follow me on Instagram, Bearded Bristol, and have a great weekend and create something. It doesn't have to be art, just create something. Use your hands, use your brain, use your feet if that's what gets you going. It doesn't really matter to me, but get out there and create something, have some fun. Y'all take care.